Hello guys, this is Joseph from Joe Concept. How are we doing today? All right, so in today's video, I'm going to be giving out a free script tool in Blender, and I just want to put you through the walkthrough of how to set it up. So, but then this is what I'm going to be giving you. I'm going to be giving you a script that allows you to have a countdown as the time goes. Maybe you might want to use it for maybe your YouTube countdown or any program you have. You want to just set a countdown. And now the thing with this is that this number is procedural. You can change the number. You can start from 3, you can start from 10, you can start from any number you want, and it counts down. So this is what we're going to be looking at. I'm going to be giving you this in a on my Gumroad. You can just go and download it. It's free, totally free. And then, but this video is just here to show you how you set it up because I'm running the script some things. So there are some things you also need to do. So that's what this video is going to be about. So let's get into Blender. So the first thing you're gonna have to do is to get that Blender file or the script which is here. I'm going to put it. So you want to extract this Blender countdown setup. So once you extract it, and this is just what you have. You have this Python script, which you can see here, and you can also see the README file, which will also put you through how to go about that. But then, how you're going to go with this is once you have brought this down, you want to go to your scripting section in Blender workspace. Once you go to the scripting section, and everything is just plain, so we don't want to write the script from start. You already have that file. So what you do is just click on open. So if I click on this open at the top here, you want to navigate to where that script is, and this is it. So you select the scripts, and once you open it, all the things would have been written down here. So that's the first thing you want to do. And then the next thing you're going to do is we'll go back to the layout tab. You want to create your text object that goes your text that you want to use to count down. So I'll shift A and then go to my text. So everything you need to do for your text, you can start to do it right here. So here I'll just go to my text, set my alignment to center, middle. You really do not need to change anything or type anything here. You just need to do the major settings for your text. So if you want to set the font, you can set your font right here. And then I can add geometry just to make it 3D stuff. And then you have that. I also like having rounding, which is a beveling on my text. So basically, this is the text that I have. All right. So the next thing I want to do now is before I do anything, I need to create a custom um, parameter for this text. And that custom parameter is what we're going to use to run everything we need to do. Because if you look at this, I've already given you a note as well here. So the custom parameter, you need to call it countdown value. All right. So this is what you're typing to that custom parameter. So I'm going to copy this. Once I have that copied, and then go back to my layout. So I will select this and go to the data section or the object section. And then you come down to where you have custom properties. I'll click on new. And then it's going to create a new custom property and it's calling it prop. But I want to change it to that value that I just saw. So I'll click on this cogwheel icon. I will open the settings and I will change the property name here. I'll just paste that value. And float value is more like you're having decimal. So I don't want it to move in a decimal value. I just want it to move at interval. So integral value. So I'll change from float to integer. So as it's going from 10, 5, 2, it will keep moving. So once I have that done, the next thing I want to do is I want to set my minimum and my maximum. So I want it to get all the way to 0 and then my maximum should be 10, right? And then my default value, what do you want your default number to be? So let's say, well, we want it to start at 10, all right? And basically that is all I need to do here. I'll just click on OK. Nothing happens. It just creates a parameter for us. And then we have that countdown. So if you come here and you try to, you see every other thing has been set, all right? If I come down here and I try to play, nothing will happen still. And the reason is because I still need to do two more things. And one thing that I need to do is here, where you have obj.by.data gets countdown text. Now, whatever name you give your text is what you're going to replace this with. So what I mean by that is that look at my text in my outliner. The name of this text in the outliner is called text. And that's what I have to replace there. So I have to make sure I change that thing that is here. I'll change it to this text value. I don't know if you get. So if here, for instance, yeah. I said for. All right. If you still play this and nothing happens, and the reason why nothing is happening is because in your script you need to come to this play button in order for you to run the script. That's the last thing you need to do. So if I click on play, and that's all I need. Once I run the script and I play, you see that it start counting down. But now the problem here now is that if you notice, it started at 9. And I also noticed that when I was creating this, so for some reason, even though I changed this to start at 10, starting at 9. So what we'll do is right click here, go back to edit script, edit driver, and I want to up this number by one count. So I'll make it 11. That's just all I need to do here. And now if I come and I play, and then it start coming down 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then 0. So this is what I wanted to share with you, and you could use it for any project or anything you want. So it's free for everybody to use. So you can just go to my road and download this script and use. Okay. So thank you for your time. If you feel this is going to be a helpful script, please do give me a like and a thumbs up because it helps me in YouTube algorithm. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe because I do tutorials like this every time. And I'm going to be giving freebies going forward because I'm seeing some possibilities with the scripting drivers in Blender. So I hope to be creating things and I'll be sharing with you. If you also have an idea of things that you want, that you think, just send it to the description. I will also see if it's something that is possible from my end. So do have a wonderful day and God bless you. Bye.